Welcome all to the new video of coding race. In this video we will learn how to make text to speech app in MIT App Inventor. So I'm going to click on start new project and I'm going to type on the project name. Yeah, just change it to tablet. And first we want one text box, drag and drop it here, and the width will be fill parent. Okay, height will be 70%. That's perfect. And hint will be type the text and enter. So you can see one multi-line. Just click on it. Yeah. Go to layouts and drag and drop one horizontal arrangement here, and the width will be fill parent, and the align horizontal and align vertical will be center. Okay, go to user interface and drag and drop two buttons here. First button, font will be bolded, and the background color will be customs. Nice. Yeah, that's nice. And the text color will be white. Rename it as read. And enter. And the width will be 30% and okay. And Control C and Control V. Copy and rename the text as paste the text. Just enter. Yeah. Next, just click on this screen and the background color will be this color. Okay. Just click on this horizontal arrangement and the background color will be none. And go to block section, and when the button 1 clicks, which the read button click, we want to read the text we have typed in the text box. So go to medias and drag and drop this text to speech. And next we want one extension for paste the text. So I will give the link in description to download the extension. So you want to search this App Inventor clipboard extension, you can see this web page. Otherwise I will give the link in description. Drag it down and you can see this download the clipboard extension. Just click on it and you can see this type of a web page, and here you can see the countdown. Yeah, that is downloaded. Okay. Go to our MIT App Inventor extensions, import extension, drag and drop it here and import. Okay, you can see the extension here. Yeah, drag and drop it to the screen. Okay, so go to the blocks and drag and drop the speak code, text to speech speak. The text will be text box dot text. Drag and drop it here. And next, go to this button 2 and drag and drop when button 2 click. So go to this text box 1 and drag and drop text box 1 dot text 2. This go to this clipboard 1 dot extension, drag and drop this code clipboard 1 dot paste. So these are the code for our text to speech app. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share and like the video. If you want more tutorials on app developing, visit our YouTube channel.